Hello, this is an overview of the bitopertin market forecast model as brought to you by BCC. We'll talk about the benefits of the forecast model, why is bitopertin important, the drivers and constraints of the market, and an overview of the model, among other topics. The benefits of the model are significant as schizophrenia is a persistent long-term disease that has severe and debilitating impact on patients that have the illness. A market forecast has benefits that can improve investment and funding to address this disease that affects over 24 million people on a worldwide basis. The model itself is independent and transparent. It has been researched and sourced by data that is received from experts and external voices in the marketplace, such as physicians and third-party payer providers. The model communicates pricing and volume over time, and ultimately, as a proxy for other candidates of drug development, the model can be used to obtain external funding for similar therapeutics or approval within a company. Schizophrenia is a disease that has a significant impact and therefore, from a business perspective, has a large market opportunity. There are existing therapeutics that are available from thorazine to proloxin. However, each of these therapies has areas that are suboptimal and do not maximize the benefit for the patient population. Bitopertin, on the other hand, is a phase 3 clinical asset. The mechanism of action is a glycine transporter type 1 inhibitor, and if approved, it will be the first in class of that therapy. The overall driver and constraints in the market for schizophrenia include country-specific mental health policies that can maximize uptake and prescription volume through major players that leverage their research and development, manufacturing and distribution networks to improve and maintain their stakes in the marketplace. There are constraints. There is a very difficult rate of prescription arising out of a diagnosis challenge. There are increasing costs of development for drug development in this specific place. The forecast itself is forecasted out through 2030, and the total market dollar value forecast is broken down by volume, which is the number of patients, and value, which is the US dollars on a nominal basis. Both volume and value are broken down by 7 major markets, which include the United States, Japan, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the UK. Value is calculated by multiplying the number of patients receiving bitopertin by the price on a per year basis. Volume is calculated by taking multiple models for population broken down by age and gender, and each of these elements are forecasted on an annual basis through the year 2030. Prevalence rates for schizophrenia are then projected, and then from that prevalence population, the number of patients that are diagnosed and then eventually scripted for therapy is determined to assess the number of patients that are resulting on a regional basis that is then rolled up on a global format. Pricing is calculated on a per country or region basis in US dollars and then multiplied by volume to arrive at value. For more information on this product, please contact BCC Research at 781-489-7301 or at bccresearch.com, and please review important disclaimers herein.